Cheers, Opa.
Cheers. I'll see you in a bit, right?
Morning.
Of course. My daughter, of course you can go to the bank like that. Yeah man, me I gotta do some whole for something I want to bush. Yeah, that's Jamaican pineapple TV. And this is not a custard apple, this is not a star apple.
Make them know, no man.
This is the original Jamaican pineapple.
Me father.
My God have mercy. Just look at my daughter. Pineapple TV is in Jamaica. Condolences to my baby mother Claudette. Sleep in peace, my girl. Mad. Yeah. This is the great pineapple.
Hear them. People they say, Tika, but you don't look like foreigner. I say, why me look like foreigner? Me a Jamaican.
Make them know.
Me say, what do you want me to do? I say, when me used to come to Jamaica, I'm broke. At them time, them used to look like foreigner. Now, me financially stable. Me not have to fit in. Me not have to look like nobody.
You're so beautiful, you do what I do.
Thank you, my daddy. What time now, daddy?
In a minute I'll tell you.
Come, top video. You come like Elvis, you know?
My daughter, you take very good care now. And I love you so much.
Daddy, stop now.